Hi guys, join me on my first ever Thailand trip. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Syempre, fit check muna tayo before we head out. Guys, mukha lang akong nasa Divisoria, but the difference is sobrang daming inhalers and other ointments dito. And thanks to my debit card bestie, GoTime, for making my shopping here hassle-free. The next day, we went to the Dragon Temple, and guys, be prepared dahil cardio talaga going up to the 17th floor. But worth it naman pag nasa taas na kayo and you can pray for good fortune. Of course, ginawa ko talaga para worth it yung 17th floor, guys. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa pinakataas ng Dragon Temple. And here's a tree. Papakita dyan, 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan yung tree na pwede kayo mag-pray for good fortune. Next is Icon Siam, the most famous mall here in Bangkok, wherein I tried the best mango sticky rice. Nandito rin yung mga exotic food nila, just like this crocodile barbecue. For dinner, we went to Chao Phraya River Cruise just outside Icon Siam. Diba? Pinoy represent anywhere around the world. And after that dinner, guys, shopping isn't over for us. So humabol pa kami sa Big C because they're open until 2 a.m. So more Thai milk tea, more inhalers, and more ointments. I really find it super duper less hassle pag ginagamit ko yung GoTime card ko here sa Bangkok. Kasi wala, ang dali lang eh. Tap lang, insert lang, ganun. For our last launch here in Thailand, we went to one of the tallest building here in Bangkok, Bayoki Sky Hotel, na merong revolving viewpoint. Syempre, dadalhin ko kayo dyan, guys. So, andito na tayo. 3, 2, 1... Ayan. So, ayan, pag nag-step na kayo dito, guys, sa revolving platform ng Bayoki Hotel, makikita nyo yung 360 view of Bangkok. So, it's a nice experience. And OMG, that's it for my first ever Thailand trip. See you guys again next time!